gas. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring, the place where you can have the new Porsche, you can have new Volkswagen, you can have all kinds of fancy cars, but they will be overshadowed when this 2002 nicknamed O2licious is standing next to them, because as you can see, all the people already by now are standing around it to want to find out more about this car, what it exactly is, and yeah, it's just a regular sight. So we actually been in this car 3 years ago. We went for a lap, but it has received a couple of modifications, and ever since the channel has gotten also some more subscribers. So I think Carlo and I are going for another lap. So underneath is a 4-cylinder engine. 4-cylinder, right?
4-cylinder?
Yes. Yes, a quiet 4-cylinder by now. Producing, you said, 170 horsepower.
170 horsepower at wheels.
Yep.
So it's quite enough for 950 kilos.
Mm-hmm.
It's oversteery, but not too oversteery. The tires are cold. But as you noticed now, it's grip without end.
Yeah.
Because of the Intrax suspension. It's
here and somewhere
Dutch,
underneath.
Dutch Pride.
Yeah.
Like gold we call it. So that I spent some money on it, and good investment.
Good.
Safe laps here.
Good, and previously we were lapping with some old tires, I think, and now we have...
I think I was at the Grand Prix track when I made the joke like 30 years old whiskey is good, but 30 years old tires are not. But still we survive.
Yeah.
But now
now you have a bit...
Nankangs are amazing.
Air ones. Yeah, and that's basically all you need. Naturally aspirated goodiness, some trumpets, Air ones. What brakes you're running?
Old Volvo 240 brakes.
Okay.
With Hawk brake pads, and on the rear there are some basic drum brakes. So it's
cool.
Pretty basic.
Nice.
Low on maintenance, low on running costs.
Probably one set of brake pads per year or something. Roughly.
Yeah, low running costs, high on likes and thumbs up.
Yeah, that's good. That's how a car should be. Then you know you have a perfect track car.
Yes.
Cool, so let's have a quick look on the interior as well. Sparkos, then very minimalistic, very nice, like it should be. I guess we should go for a lap. Well, let's check out the back, because on the back there is one detail I want to show you, or actually that you have seen probably in the intro. So you have this exhaust here. Of course you have also the classic license plate from the Netherlands. But this exhaust produces some flames. And the reason for the flames is quite funny. You can tell us about it.
Well, I'm scared a lot, so I lift the throttle, and then pure fuel comes into the hot exhaust. So that's the only reason. The other reason I will keep to myself. But
really?
No. It's just flames, thrills and thrills. Yeah. One flame. It's like that.
No, I mean the one about the dyno below the sea level. That's the one.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's a more scientific.
Yeah, but that's a cool one.
We live in the Netherlands, and as you know or not, we live at sea level, and where I live, we live below the sea level. So there is more oxygen. So the dyno tune is done at sea level, but here we are between 600 meters and 300 meters, so here's less oxygen, and the mixture is more rich on fuel. So if you want to have a special tune, if you have a ring tool, go to a dyno shop here. But if you want to have flame, go to the Netherlands.
Wow, the more you know. All right, let's go for a lap. Enjoy. I just noticed the massive mirror.
Yeah, it's good for spotting the 911 GTR at staalstrekken. Move over, Rover.
Yeah.
Hey, enjoy.
Let's go. No.
It's one of those days, Misha.
I know.
I'm sorry for him.
Yes.
You notice the difference with the Intrax?
I cannot remember that far, but I'm just enjoying it. Yellow. Well, it's a good opportunity to switch the microphone to front bias, because then you can hear the engine, the trumpets.
front of us.
Amazing. Really, really good. Like, you cannot see the smile on my face because of the helmet, but phenomenal. So, did you see the electric 2002?
Yeah, I don't know what to think.
Yeah, I drove it like a few days ago, but this is a lot more emotional.
Yeah,
without a doubt.
Goosebumps.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's too hot to have goosebumps anyway. But.
True. Amazing. Woo! Well, I guess see you in 3 years.